wires. I've just come back from lunch and I'm about to put up this tile here, and then I can measure this one and cut it, and then that's the big ones done. So then I'll put those two up and we're laughing. Then I've only got the face to do. So I'll pretty much have this tiled today. I'm hoping to finish it tomorrow. So in the morning I'll probably be doing this niche. I trim it in aluminium. I do the sides, top and bottom. The owner is going to have a mirror in here. So the screen people, when they put the screen in, they put a mirror. Then he's able to have a shave while he's having a shower. So we'll just bang up this one. Notice the lines again. It is all for water flow. These tiles get pretty bloody heavy after a while, towards the end of the day, but that's how it goes. And you must always be so careful because they chip very easy. With a whooshka. Get the glue off your hands. Directional troweling. If there's any water, it just flows down the wall, flows to the waste. Okay, we'll catch up with you soon. Bye.